TBCT token finance integrates the important elements of the centralized financial system to decentralized financial system in order to expanding the service model and scope of the financial product. At this time, TBCT token is available on the Uniswap exchange and you can easily purchase this coin from there.
Feel uninvited.
Here you can see the entire website and also the white paper. I will also share the link in the description. But now I'm going to tell you something very interesting about the TBC Trusted token. Basically, the TBC Trusted token is entirely different from the other tokens. It has been created by more than 1,000 higher mindset TBC community investors from all around the world. For the first time, a token is launched by the people, for the people, controlled and represented by a global non-profit foundation. It has been created as a pure token with no connection to any particular business, while it is basically represented by the TBC Trusted Token Foundation, a global non-profit organization with board members from all over the world. The TBCT token is a new token that makes you experience something new because the team is currently on the development section of the TBCT token platform, and this is worth sharing. The common word that was made to present the platform easily, it's called TBCT Community Ecosystem. And as we all know, investing is the first system that encourages the investors to invest by purchasing the TBCT token for the future investment. The system is required for all the investors of the TBCT token as a whole community. Currently, the price of the TBCT token is $0.25. And here you can see the entire supply of the TBCT token, and also you can check out the contract address. And if you are not going to find out the TBCT token on the Uniswap exchange, simply copy the contract address and paste it over there. Here you can see the white paper of the TBCT token. Nowadays, people always talk about the DeFi projects, that right now it's a DeFi project, but who knows the best DeFi project? Now here basically comes the TBCT Finance. Basically, the TBCT Finance gives the greater potential for the DeFi to provide the mainstream financial services as well as further decentralized social governance and autonomy. Swap, move tokens between the blockchains effortlessly without relying on a central custodian. And you can also stake with the help of the TBCT Finance. Hold on to your tokens to earn the rewards for each swap transaction you help to co-sign with the open source node code. And behind the every successful project right now, I am basically in crypto from last 3 years, and I saw one thing: the team is entirely essential, and you can say it is the main backbone of any type of project. Basically, the whole team of the TBCT is, you can say, the top members have been working in the multiple positions and on various projects as entrepreneurs in the past. Most of the core members have been in the industry for up to 10 years. Wow, it's a great thing about the TBCT token. Now it's the time to talk about the mission of the TBCT. Basically, the team is saying that we are believing that in a decentralized world, anonymity will be our driving force, helping people come together without limiting borders of the genders, culture, or the race, while reclaiming control over the personal data. We wanted to send a clear signal that TBCT token was initiated by people believing in these core values. Team members are therefore free to decide whether they wish to remain anonymous. For the safety of the investors, a founder will always be available via Telegram. So you can message the team, and you can also join the team, and you can message them on the social media.